Abona-ke lo mthetho lo uthi as above so below, lo kuthiwa i-law of correspondence. La mthetho uyakukhombisa nje ukuthi okwenzeka kokukhulu kuyenzeka nakulokho okuncane, and uyakukhombisa ukuthi i-universe i-fractal, iphindaphinda nje into eyodwa on different levels. Yabo, that is why kungadingi nanokuthi sife ukuze siqonde ukuthi what is happening ngale kwethu, yabo. So lana-ke ngibhiza, I'm just quickly analyzing enye i-company nje esanda kukhipha the IPO, the initial public offering, ama-shares ayo, yabo. So I'm just perusing ama-financial statements akhona. Mina le nkampani lena ngeke, I wouldn't be interested to invest here. I'm just looking at the solvency ratio. I need to know is not impressive. I'm looking at the different things, liquidity. I'm looking at profitability. Ngibuka lezi zinto ku 3 months. But let me jump to maybe 9 months. Maybe I'll see a different picture. Let me jump to 9 months. I know I still see that the same picture I saw in 3 months. Bese ngithi I know should le company, this is how it performs. Okay, ukuze ngiqhubekele le ndaba ngalesi sikhathi, ubingelelo changes akhasha uthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya, ungatatazeli, uyabona. Yabo, bese ngifike lo mcabango la ngithi mina hawu, kusho ukuthi vele bekungekho possible ukuthi le company i-performe better ku 9 months period. Bekungekho possible if vele na ku 3 months i-performa poorly. Surely ke na ku 1 month maybe it's the same picture. So sengifikelwa yilento ethi okay, kusho ukuthi how you do something in one day will determine what is going to happen kuwena onyakeni. Sengiyibuyisela lapha lento ukuthi you cannot tell me ukuthi wena you are failing yourself on average each day. You are failing yourself. You are failing to commit yourself to things that you said you are going to do, your habits, your routines. You are failing, yabo, on average daily. Angikhulumi ngokuthi mina ngalolu suku ukwazile ukwenza lezi zinto ekumele ukuthi uzenze, usuzizwa uyisikhokhe. On average nje mas average wena daily, you don't do what you need to do, you don't follow the plan. So how so are you going to make it onyakeni and then you find yourself reaping some benefits onyaka? No, it doesn't start there. You can fool yourself and tell yourself, well, this is my year, this is my year. No, you know what you should say. You should say, this is my day. That is where you'll be able to say, this is my year. If you can't say, this is my day, your day will reflect your year. Angithi uyazi vele ukuthi you can't have unyaka without ukuthi ube nama days. So your days will give the full picture of what is going to happen ekupheleni kwenyaka. Uyayespenda wena on a daily basis. On average, you are someone who is just willing to take out money anyhow, give it, and you have those buying instincts now and again, and then you are expecting to have money saved by the end of the year. No, the end of the year will reflect what you were doing all these days. These days. Ukhumbule ukuthi ngithe mina on average, because kungenzeka ngezinye insuku few days uthola ukuthi wena you are able to stick to your plan, not to spend money anyhow. Uma ubona sale then usiyathenga, and then you skip days kuye gymini, yabo, yabo, ufuna ukuyeka ihabit ethile but you constantly do it. You leave it once and then you do it many times. So all of those things will reflect. Yabo, the very same way how this physical universe was created, this physical universe, as gigantic as it is, it's the same way you were created. It's the same way. What is happening out there is what is happening within you. It's the same thing. As above, so below. As below, so above. So hence, we can tell if when you will be at some point you will find yourself urabhana ama-shoulders nabantu abathile abaserious empilweni. We can tell by looking at the blueprint, by looking at how you follow the blueprint now. That is why you don't need to like be a millionaire and a successful person for you to be successful. You don't need to look successful before city or successful. In fact, it's something that happens before it even materializes for other people to see it. Someone knows exactly what this blueprint that I'm following. It's a sure thing. This blueprint will lead me there. It's a sure thing. With this, that is why they say success leaves clue. So if wena ukuthi uzoba delusional ucabanga ukuthi you are going to do as you pleased each and every day, you are not accountable to your own actions, but you are expecting to ukuthi kube unyaka wakho. Mfethu yabo, like content eka yakhulunya uKing Bhaka ku live wakhe kade nawo izolo, yabo, mhla 19 namhlanje ke u20 January 2026. Kone live kade benawo lapha ya behlangene nje bebonke nabo Max Makhanya bebekhona, ba DJ Njabul bekhona, no was this guy waka uThabani, yeah, bebekhona, yeah, they were there. But there was a lady bebekhona lapha ya uthi into zami zivaliwe, yabo, sizivaliwe izivalwa abantu, yabo, usukhuluma ngabantu abadala. uKing Bhaka ushaya practicalize lento uthi yini evaliwe, ivalwe ubani, yini ofuna ilunge wena, yabo. Now is being practical. Ufuna kulungeni uthi mina ngifuna ukucula, then what are you doing, yabo, kulento yakho umcula uyasho uthi mina ngingiz-associate nosbanibani. Lo sbanibani kuyavela ukuthi okay, even that sbanibani ayi-associate nayo akazange lakhe ngisho igama yena akaziwa, but uyam-manager or someone who is taking care of this one. No, it's like we are not practical, you know. Awu-associate nomuntu oyala uyakhona, akanayo track record ukuthi uke wayenza lento. That is the first thing. Secondly, it seems like wena you think umthandazi ulapha abantu spiritually, at the same time umculi, so now udidekile. Uyabona ke, that exactly I like to pinpoint ukuthi you have to be visionary. This is what I want and this is what I'm going to do to get there. Simple. Stick to that and trust the process. Simple. Akho umuntu ozovala into zakho la, akho umuntu ovala into zakho la, wena ovala into zakho, ingqondo yakhe evala into zakho. You tell me ukuthi wena uhole u20,000 but awuwazi ukuthi u20,000 ukuthi wenzakaleni ngawo, bese uthi kunesilwane. At least show me the budget, show me the income and expenditure statement, show me those things, and then I can tell you what I know. Yeah, la kunesilwane. But you can find what if I can take your bank statements, and then I take your cell phone and your apps and everything, I put it there, I make my own audit. I'll tell you when a chunk of your money is going there, this one is going there, and that one is going. Even your time can tell you what, okay, your time, because you don't even audit your time, but you say I'm a serious person, man. You don't audit your time. Most of the time, what is it that you are doing? Even your time is not even proportionally distributed to amongst the things that are available to you. What do you do? Okay, the house chores and all of those things. Do you have a portion that you allocate to the person you want to be in future? You're gonna do the work. God, man.